Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.5, Problem 14. This is Section 4.5, Problem 14. It says solve the following. 3% of 80 is what number? So first we have to make an equation. 3%, well, first of all, of. The word of is going to mean multiply. The word is will mean equal. So 3% of 80 will be 3% times 80. Is will become equals. What number is unknown? So we just leave n, a variable. So now, to actually solve it, you really want to write that 3% in terms of a decimal. Now here's where you want to be careful. It's not 0.3 as a decimal, it's 0.03 as a decimal. The decimal point at the end of the 3 has to move 2 places to the left to make it a decimal equivalent. When you move that extra place out, that blank area that you create has to be filled in with a 0. So 0.03 times 80 equals n. Now again, if you can use a calculator for your class, you can just multiply 0.03 times 80 equals and you'll get the answer. If your teacher won't let you use a calculator, you can just do it out by hand. 80 times 0.03. And you can put the 0.3 on the top, it doesn't matter. So 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 8 is 24. The times 0 isn't going to change anything. So you have 240. But there's a decimal in the question. You have 2 digits to the right of the decimal in the question, so you must have 2 digits to the right of the decimal for the answer. So 2.40, which we can just simplify a little bit to 2.4. So 3% of 80 is 2.4.